Hi, third grade. Today we are going to look at Unit 9, Week 2, Day 3. Let's get started. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, A-R, beggar, O-R, doctor, S-T-L-E, castle, soul. T-I-O-N, vacation, shun. S-I-O-N, mansion, shun. Nice work. All right, today we have a word of the day, and as you can see, it is 2 syllables. Minor. Say the whole word. Minor. So if you have a minor problem or a minor issue, it's a little one or a slight issue. Or young children are called minors. They're not adults yet. So if they're not an adult, they're considered to be a minor. How do we spell the first syllable? My. Right, M, long I. It's open. Now, ner. This is where we know it's going to start with an N, but here's our option. We have a mystery. We know that multisyllabic words could end with AR, beggar, ER, or OR, doctor. So to solve the mystery, you can use your spelling options section and look it on up. I think it's in there. Minor. Oh, let's see. Page 50, I see it. It's at the very, very bottom of the M column there. What's our answer? Right, it's OR. So we can now trade in the spelling option for the OR, doctor. Now, to mark this word, minor. My is long I, open syllable. Ner is R controlled, circle the OR, doctor. Excellent. And now we need to go ahead and add that word to our vocabulary section. So go ahead and find the M's. We have had several other M words: mixed, medium, and now minor. Okay? Page 71, you should be turning to. M-I-N-O-R. And go ahead and mark it up, and then we'll review the sentence together. I wrote, my car had a minor problem. So go ahead and pause the video and copy down that sentence for our word of the day, minor. My car had a minor problem. All right, before we move on to echo, find sounds, and find words, I want to build a couple words together. The first one is flavor. Say it. Flavor. Help me with flay. F-L-A. And now ver. Now this one you might need to look up. We know it starts with a V. Is it going to be A-R, O-R, or E-R? Take a second and look it up. All right, what is the option? Did you find it in your spelling options? It's O-R, right. And then when we mark it up, flavor. Flay is open with that long A. Ver is circle O-R, doctor, and that is your R-controlled syllable. Excellent. Okay, the next word is chapter. Say it. Chapter. App. I think that one's an easy one. But what are we going to do with ter? We know it starts with a T. That might be in your spelling options part. Is it going to be A-R, E-R, or O-R? Chapter. It is E-R. Very good. And let's just do one more. I'll make it a 2-syllable word as well. All right. I'm going to try this one with you. Dollar. Say it. Dollar. Doll. D-all. It's actually O-L. Now, lur starts with an L. Is it E-R, O-R, or A-R? Dollar. I had a dollar bill in my pocket. It is AR. Very good. All right, now I need you to take out your letter tile boards to get ready to play Echo Find Letters and Echo Find Words. Okay, the first thing I want you to find on your letter tile board is anything that says R. One thing you're touching. What is it? Right, AR, car, R. Excellent. The second thing I want you to do is anything that says or. One thing again. Easy. What is it? O-R, horn, or. Good job. And then the last sound I actually want you to find is What are sounds that could say You should be pulling these up. Or if you're at home looking at the screen, okay, the old three that we always knew, E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, but this week we've learned A-R, beggar, O-R, doctor. So all 5 of those can say Nice work. All right, the last thing we're going to do with our letter tile boards is do echo find words. I will give you a word and dictate that, and then you're going to try to build it. All right, I'm going to give you 5 words to build. The first word is lobster. Say it. Lobster. I think you know lob. Go ahead. L-O-B. Go ahead and build that. And then we need stir. ST blend. And here is your option. So I'm going to leave this here. I don't honestly know if they're in your spelling option section. If they're not, you may have to use your dictionary. Lobster. You know you have options. AR, ER, OR. Maybe you want to see what looks right. I don't like the way that looks. I don't like the way that looks either. Did you find it? All right, it is ER for that one. So lobster. And we're not going to mark on your boards. We're just going to spell today. All right, go ahead and clean that one up and get ready for your second word. Disturb. Do not disturb your neighbor who's working. That's like a prefix. D-I-S. Now, turb. We have that one goes in the middle, the question mark. B. So actually, this option is going to be a little bit different. We know that it's not going to be AR because that only says at the end of a word. We know it's not going to be OR because it only says at the end of the word. So now we are, is it ER, IR, or UR for disturb? And the answer is right, UR. Good job. All right, clean that one up and get ready for your third word. Your third word is razor. Say it. Razor. I know you know how to spell ray. R-A. That's that open syllable. Zer. It's going to be Z. Now we're at the end of a multisyllabic word. Is it A-R, E-R, O-R? What looks right? Check it in your spelling options. Check it in your dictionary. Be confident. And the answer is O-R. Good job. All right, clear that one away and get ready for your fourth word. The next word is tractor. Say it. Tractor. T-R. Track. Now, track is actually a Latin root, remember? Okay, so tractor. Is it going to be A-R, E-R, O-R? Tractor. Look it on up. And the answer, the winner is It is OR for tractor. Good work. All right, and your last word. Go ahead and clean tractor up. Last word, factor. 2 is a factor of all even numbers. Factor. Factor. T what? AR, ER, or OR. What is it? It's OR. Great work. Nice job. All right, go ahead and clean up all of those materials and put them away, and then you just need out a piece of paper and pencil. We're going to practice making uppercase cursive N and then uppercase cursive M. All right, as the computer is saying how to form uppercase N, you are tracing the top one, and then you can practice. Here's uppercase N.
N is a skyline down letter. It starts on the skyline. Point to the skyline. Go on the skyline, then curve down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline, make a hump, and make a tail.
Okay, and the last letter is uppercase M.
M is a skyline down letter. It starts on the skyline. Point to the skyline. Go on the skyline, then curve down to the grass line. Trace up to the skyline and make a hump, and trace back up to the skyline and make another hump. Make a tail.
All right, third grade, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time.